Gold against US dollar this week has made a bullish breakout going above 2016, very critical level, very important level for the price on the daily and on the weekly time frame. The price formed this bullish breakout and confirmed it with the next day candle, where the price continued to rise in value. We can see that the price has reached the start of this supply zone around 2040. This bullish breakout has been confirmed and commented on the Telegram group as a daily analysis. Or the link for the Telegram group will be below in the description, so you can join if you would like to get a daily analysis. I have mentioned that after the price has made this bullish breakout, that the price could reach 2040, and we can see that the Friday was the day when the price reached that area, and it is some kind of a small confluence of resistance where we have this downtrend channel resistance line and the start of this supply zone. And we can see that on the Friday the price has formed this bullish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that the price could rise in value. Now on the weekly time frame, this should be a bullish candle because the whole week the price was rising in value, and we can see that the price has formed this bullish candle body, not going above 2040, which is a very important level. We can see it here, a small resistance on the weekly time frame. But for now, as it looks, we have a still strong bullish traders here waiting and pushing the price higher, and we can see a small wick on the upper side, which means that the bulls have tried to push the price higher. They made it, and there are no sellers like in this example where we have a large wick. Now on the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. This looks like a pretty strong bearish candle with a strong wick and a small body. We have one more week until this month ends, so we need to see how this candle will close. A very important level is this one here, 2035 on the monthly time frame. This is a small support level currently for the price that needs to be broken in order to see the price moving even more down. So we will see how this month will end. Will the price go below 2035 and closing down, which would suggest a further decline and then in the next month. But if the price goes back above and closes as a bullish candle, this will mean again the price will be inside indecision range area between 2062, which is also 2072, a very important level, and below that is 2035, where the possibility is 2016. We will see that on the lower time frames. But for now, we need to see how this weekly and the daily time frame closes. For now, we can see this is a small downtrend channel. It will be much more visible on the daily time frame. You can see it here. This will mean that there is a potential breakout for the price on the bullish side, and we need to see how the price will behave around this price level, which is 2040 on the weekly time frame. If it closes above, this will mean a potential move around 2052 and also 2049. These are the first levels where the price could reach if the price goes above on the daily time frame and closes. Now these are very important level on the lower side, 2016. We can see if the price goes down, which was expected in the previous week, because the price is closed below. The price did not continue to fall down. Something has happened on the market and the price reversed, which means this bearish breakout has been unsuccessful. It is not valid. So when the bearish breakout is not valid, is not confirmed with the next candle, that means here it is expected that the price will continue to rise in the opposite direction. So we'll see, will that happen? But on the daily analysis, on the daily time frame, what I can see, this is the bullish engulfing candle, which is suggesting that the price will continue to rise in value. And this is something that I will share inside the daily analysis, as it was this week, where I was mentioning after this bullish breakout has happened that the price will reach and possibly reach this 2040, a confluence of resistance. So the next week, if the price continues to rise in value and makes a breakout to the upper side or the downside, I will share that inside the daily analysis to the old traders that are following there. And as it looks right now, I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. A very important level we can see it is 2040, where all those wicks have been reached, and we can see this is the time when the price tried to make a bullish breakout here and also this one here. So this is a very critical and important level. Maybe the price goes outside of this Dalton channel, which will suggest further strength of the buyers pushing the price even higher. So the next very ultimate level for the daily is 2072, and it is a very important level on the weekly and the monthly time frame. So this is all for the next week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video, and see you next time. Happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!